I gotta fill this thing up. I smell a couple trespassers. Let's go find them.
Fucking trespassers?
Hey!
Who the fuck's this guy?
Well, boys and girls, it's been a long weekend for me. I went to a festival called Boots and Hearts. Just 4 days of just partying with the most beautiful women you've ever seen in your life. Can't even handle it.
Hey guys, we're really drunk at a fucking music festival. Boots and Hearts. 2015. Woo! Fuck yeah!
Anyways, so now it's back to reality, and today was a busy day. I changed the water pump in the house from a piston pump to a jet pump. I personally think that the point needs to be changed, so I have to tackle that when the old man gets back from work. But got to work on this thing, and I'm actually going to work a little bit on the lathe. I've actually been working on the lathe. I did a little bit last night, but I didn't film anything because, because I didn't feel like it. So I broke this handle transporting it, and you might think like, yeah, gas, great fucking welding, Okay, yeah, this is cast. It's not easy, right? It's not easy, but the part that's not even easy more than that is that it's broken right beside, well, it was broken right beside where it was broken, and all the guy used was fucking like that brass soldering shit. Anyways, so I had to like grind down. Fucking, oh yeah, it's just bad. It's a bad day. Bad day. But yeah, so she should be good to go. This guy fixed it with the bolt before. It's like this fuck. Holy shit, my bench needs to get fucking cleaned up. Fuck sakes. So is the shop. But that's neither here nor there. Let's go work on the lathe. As you can see with the tools that I had going on here, that I've been a little busy getting some shit ready. But yeah, let's get some light going on. Alright, now with the light and the camera not focusing, we could not get back to work. So that handle goes right here. Right, the hole goes right there. And it goes through that thing, and then it locks on the other side to adjust the belt. So let's put this thing back on so we can fucking see if we can wire it up and fire it up. So I had to shave down the sides a little bit, but as you can tell, that's brass and that's stainless, and the whole thing is cast. This is fucking so much metal in here. Alright, we got the handle in, we got the set screw in, we pulled it tight. See, you change its settings, and that way you change the belt speeds. There's 3 speeds here. And then you can change speeds with this shit too. Pull that to the side. Sticker that back right in there. Just weird. One way spins faster, the other one spins like torquey gears and shit. But I won't spin that with belts on. Big sakes. Bam. It won't. Alright, my buddy Matt came over because he's a certified electrician. Yeah. I don't need the College of Trades coming here to kick my ass, so he helped me wire up the son of a bitch. So hit it, Matt. All right. Nothing's happening over here. So, is it plugged in here? Okay, so we weren't plugged in. Butt shot. Oh God. I'm sorry, guys. Matt's butt. Nobody needs to see that. It's in. No way. Things are turning. Lathes are spinning.
Lights are on.
Fuck yeah.
Fucking lights. Is that what it sounds like when you...
I guess so. Well, no. It actually didn't work because the belt was like off. Because that belt thing was broken and I fixed it. Don't touch that. Do not touch that. I've seen pictures of people like getting caught and their faces smashing.
No, that's good, man.
Shut it off? Luke's got his brand new Rhino. It sounds fucking mint, right, boys? Not good. Yeah, see that right there? That's not factory. Those grooves and those teeth that are missing. And there's like that shifter thingy is broken because we know because the other piece is right here. So that half of the case is no good. Maybe. Fuck this chunk.
Oh man, that sucks, man. That's
what I get for being an asshole.
Luke, are you an asshole?
I'm an asshole.
Let's explain why. Let's have a brief minute here on YouTube and explain what's going on. This car looks pretty clean, boys. It's pretty freaking straight, too. Fuck yeah! Good old warplane or something. Why the fuck are they circling over and over? That's a big fucking plane. Pretty sure I seen some shit coming out of it. Fuck. One of them government fucking dropping some shit on the fucking environment shit there? Yeah, probably.
That's a Willis, yeah.
Okay, make some noise for me. That's awesome.
You parked in front of the house.
Yeah. Guys, guess what? I didn't buy another Camaro, but Luke did. Approval. So we're basically right here. We're right here. Keep going. There's a second driveway here to tell you to go in your driveway. A turn-off spot there.
Turn off spot?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Keep going. Here's the new beast mode. How do you feel, Luke? How do you feel like? What does it feel like to be like me and be a Camaro collector?
I don't know.
Alright, we made her home. It's dark as fuck. You can't see nothing. But, yeah, whatever. Got some nice wheels on him. Fuck it. Fucking phone sucks. A couple days in a row, just fucking shit flying right over my place. What the fuck? Alright, let's have a quick look at this Camaro we picked up last night. That head's probably gonna end up on my street car. But this thing was kind of cool, probably in 1980s. So Luke picked this up because I'm broke as fuck. It's got a small block. I'm not sure what it is. They said it doesn't run, but fuck. Put the battery cables on. Maybe they forgot there's a clutch pedal and you have to press it. But turns over, put a little gas in there, fired right up. So I put a little gas in the tank. See if we can get it to suck it to the motor. Maybe we can all enjoy a little Camaro action. figured out the problem. It's an electric fuel pump. Gotta figure out which wires for the fuel pump. I wired up that spare pump I have over there, this side, because there's a Holly red pump under there and it's seized. So let's do this. Well, as soon as I add fuel to her, it wants to just overflow, kill itself, but it actually runs pretty decent. Giving her a little bit of fuel there. Ah, just to say too much. That's cool. Not bad. Ugh. Stick to. Sounds pretty good. Big good oil pressure. Fuck. Oh yeah, it moves. Brakes work. Fuck yeah, let's do this. Well, it's dark. Too dark to see. Apparently my phone doesn't like fucking focusing. Okay, we're at this newly acquired Camaro with the stupidest stance ever. Like, who's your daddy? I guess it's not that bad, but it's the tire gap is just bad. It's got wide wheels on the front, which looks cool. Like, those could be back rims. Like, that's how wide those are. So we're gonna pull this into the shop, and me and Alex here, we're gonna try to, you know, make it so that we can run it for a little while and do some burnouts and stuff before we tear it all apart. Because Luke doesn't want to. I got it running thinking, you know, Luke would want to resell it. Nope, doesn't want to resell it. So yeah, it is pretty messy though. I mean, you know, all the wiring's all ripped out. There's a fucking snake in there, or that's snake skin. Luke hates snakes. It's got Boston speakers. You know, good old stuff. So let's push this to the garage and let's get fucking poning on it. Oh yeah, watch out. All right, so in the time that we were, we pushed the car here and we're talking about it, we messaged Luke, and Luke really loves Alex. I don't know, it's like his little son almost. So we told Luke that that Alex wants to race this car, but Luke wants the 5-speed, right? He's like, well, you know what? Swap it automatic, and we're gonna make Alex a race car. So you pumped?
Yeah.
So Alex is gonna have a race car. So let's get this thing in here and check it out. All right, let's have a look under here. It doesn't look too bad. Apparently they said it was oil sprayed like hell. Oh yeah, not too shy. It's rusty, but there's no holes so far. I like the exhausts. That's good. It's good. Yeah, somebody oiled the crap out of this thing. A little rough right there. We're gonna need some frame connectors for sure. Some underglow lights. Anybody? Yeah, no. Yeah, we're gonna have to make some frame connectors. That's actually not bad with the exhaust like this. We could just run frame connectors from there to there. Be a lot easier. Or just bring something out from here and make it go all the way up to there. See, there's a little rust hole there. Right there. Yeah. Boom. Not too bad. What kind of mufflers are these? It doesn't say. No namers. Still a good job. Still a good job. Very nice. T5. Yeah, cool. Oh, they welded the exhaust on. Fuck, eh?
The fuck did? Oh, fuck.
Yeah, they welded it on. That's weird. So we'll have to fucking cut something and make a coupler somewhere. If we ever... No, it's not that bad. There's a little bit of rust on this side there, but... Just in the rockers, but... Fuck, it's not all that bad. What the fuck kind of springs they put in here? This thing sits way too fucking high. Oh, the spring's not even sitting where it should be.
This one isn't either.
Well, that one's either upside down or it's not supposed to be there. These springs aren't supposed to be there. Those are not Camaro springs.
No, there's something wrong there.
That is not a Camaro spring. Okay.
Those are easy to change.
Yeah. Not bad. Oh, it's got new ball joints. Sway bar end links. Fuck, brand new struts. I need those. Brakes are brand new. Fuck's sakes. Engine was painted, but I wonder if it's...
The balance and stuff.
Fuck, look at the plugs. The plugs are brand new. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're fucking Bosch fucking iridiums. They're fancy plugs. Somebody fucking got fancy on this thing, yeah. Brand new struts on both sides. Ball joints. The brakes were new. Fuck, eh? A little bit of rust, no big deal. Huh. Fuck's sakes, dude. Pretty solid. Cool. So, what we gotta figure out now is this Holly fuel pump's fucked. So, we're trying to either just tee that line off and put that other pump either in the front or put the other pump in the place of this one. So, let's figure out what we're doing. Well, look at that. It's already fucking branded. Boom! That means it's official. You're driving a gasoline car. So, what we did for the night, stripped apart the interior. There's nothing left in here but a driver's seat. Got a lot of the wiring mess out. This thing even had fucking underglows. Oh yeah. Not much left. There's a little bit of wiring left on that side. All in all, not too bad. But, you know what? I got some faith in this car. I think this car is going to fucking kick some Mustang ass. You want to know how I know that? Come over here and I'll show you. This motherfucker is a cobra eater. Just fucking eating snakes all day.